So let's start by looking at how to navigate the product catalog. To find the shirt that you want to start designing on, you can look at some different product details. We'll show you how to use filters that'll help narrow down your options. You can get a quick quote so that you can compare them. And then at the end, I've got a few tips that are going to help you pick the product that's best for your order. To look at everything available, click Browse Products in the main site navigation. Here we give you a few categories to pick from just to get you started in the right place. Pick a style category, then a subcategory, and you'll be placed into the product catalog at this starting point. From here, you can filter products, preview colors and descriptions, and move through other categories to see everything there is to pick from. Each product thumbnail will tell you if there's an order minimum and gives you a quote estimate so you can compare while you browse. Clicking on a product lets you preview colors separated by those available for digital printing versus screen printing, gives you a price calculator you can use for a quick quote, shows available sizes, a detailed description, the fabric makeup, and a size chart to help you make decisions. Back at the main catalog navigation, you can update the default price quote with how many shirts you think you're looking to order and the number of colors you think will be in your design. The price quote in each thumbnail will then update, and you can even sort them by price by using this dropdown. To get really specific, within each category, you can layer additional filters, like seeing only products with no minimum order quantity, aka those available for digital printing. Or you can filter by fit, different features, colors, fabric, and brand, and you can remove any of these filters by using the minus up here. Check out the rest of the catalog by going through other main and subcategories at the top, and once you find something you want to try out, just click Start Your Design, it'll load into the Design Studio, and there you can take advantage of all the customization tools. The first and most important tip for picking the right product is to think about whether your order is best for digital printing or for screen printing. If you're planning to order fewer than 12, you'll want to select from products and colors that are available for digital printing. That's where that no minimum filter comes in handy. Digital printing also means that your design can have as many colors as you want and it won't affect cost. Now for orders of 12 or more, screen printing allows you to pick from any of the products and colors that are in the catalog. And you can even see larger discounts for higher quantity orders. But with screen printing, one cost factor will be the number of colors in your design, so you will want to consider how many your design uses and how that affects your price quote. Number 2 is to take a look at the product description and sizing chart. This can give you some details that'll help you decide between products, but when in doubt, just contact us and we can answer any questions about that specific product. And next we're on to the Design Studio, where we're going to show you all the ways that you can add and customize images to start making your design.